Did you know that you can now add studio style effect to your pet photos with Android 16 and One UI 8.0? Samsung Portrait Studio feature in the Gallery app now works not only for people but also for dogs and cats. Here's how to give your furry friends a professional studio look. To do so, open Gallery app, then open a photo of a dog or a cat. Tap the photo assist icon at the bottom. Swipe through the menu to find the Portrait Studio section. Tap Studio. Then tap Generate to let your phone's AI apply the effect. If you want another version, swipe left and then tap Generate one more. Once you find your favorite look, tap Save Copy to save it as a new image. And that's how you can turn your pet's regular photo into a studio style portrait using the new AI powered Portrait Studio. Your pet just got a professional photo shot right from your phone. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.